Fertilizers are a fundamental tool used worldwide to feed our populations. But what if its true cost is triple the price? For every dollar spent, nearly 3 more go to environmental cleanup. A 50-year study confirmed long-term use of generic fertilizers can actively damage soil structure. This one-size-fits-all system is inefficient and destructive. There has to be a superior way. We'll show you how experts in Slovenia are pioneering a custom method that works with nature to build a resilient food system. Slovenia's method is policy-driven. Influenced by EU directives, their national strategy mandates efficient nutrient use. Their specialists don't guess, they calculate, matching fertilizer to yield goals, soil nutrients, climate, and crop rotation. This change was necessary. By 1998, research showed 75% of Slovenian meadow soils were poor in phosphorus and potassium. The evidence was clear. Pouring on more generic product was not the answer. So how did they pivot to a system that works? The fundamental change was from simply feeding the plant to cultivating the entire soil ecosystem for long-term fertility. This system begins with data. Advanced certified soil testing is the first step to know exactly what the soil needs. Custom blends contain beneficial microorganisms. They function like keys, making nutrients already in the soil available for plants. Their work goes deeper. These microbes are engineers, physically improving the soil's structure for better aeration and water retention. A healthy microbial system minimizes chemical runoff, protecting our waterways from contamination. These same microbes help turn fields into carbon sinks, actively storing carbon deep in the soil. So they improve structure and nutrient uptake, but how can this living system actually help protect the crop itself? The science is compelling, but what were the real-world results of this nationwide shift? Let's look at the data. The proof is in the numbers. Between 1992 and 2022, Slovenia cut its mineral fertilizer consumption by a staggering 38%. This philosophy can achieve the impossible. Slovenian researcher Dr. Ana Vovk demonstrated that even uncultivable soils can be regenerated. She did this with permaculture and strategic organic matter additions, building soil health from the ground up, not just treating symptoms. And our earlier question about plant protection? By fostering a thriving soil ecosystem, this method boosts a plant's natural defenses. The benefits extend to crop quality. Healthier soil ecosystems are shown to improve the flavor, aroma, and nutrient content of produce. The results are impressive, but this isn't a simple plug-and-play fix. What does it take to shift to this smarter system? It begins with a commitment to precision. As we saw, advanced soil testing is non-negotiable to diagnose the problem accurately. It also requires a philosophical change. Slovenia's cautious stance on new tech shows a commitment to health over pure economic gain. Ultimately, it means shifting from short-term boosts to long-term investments in soil fertility, managing soil as a biological asset. So we've seen the problem, the science, and the results. Now let's connect the dots to see why this custom system is superior. Remember the hidden cost from soil degradation and water remediation? The microbial approach directly addresses this by reducing runoff. We saw how generic fertilizers left Slovenian soils depleted. The custom method is the direct antidote, building sustainable fertility. We explained how microbes build better soil structure. That physical improvement leads directly to more nutritious, better-tasting food. The conclusion is inescapable. Custom fertilization isn't just a different product, it's a different paradigm that is more efficient. The Slovenian model proves the smartest way to grow is to shift focus from the plant to the living soil beneath it. This system is smarter economically by cutting hidden costs and smarter ecologically by regenerating soil and storing carbon. This is more than a technique. It's the future of resilient agriculture, where farming enriches our planet instead of depleting it. Start by asking, what does my soil truly need? Get a soil test, look into microbial solutions, advocate for a better system.